Welcome. In front of me I have OnePlus 9 Pro, and today I'll show you how we can take care of the battery on the smartphone. So at the first we have to find the settings, next we have to find the battery, and when we are here, as you can see, we can find this feature with optimized charging. So we will optimize charging pattern according to our usage habits, and we will in this way reduce the battery load, and we will extend the battery life. So it's very useful to tap on the switcher and activate this feature. Also, it's very good to use the bedtime mode. You have to tap on the switcher to activate the schedule. So I can recommend you to charge your phone. Of course, let's go for this one to 8 a.m. It's also very useful. As you can see, it will just it will charge our phone slowly, so we will reduce the battery lifespan. And also you can use the battery saver. So you can just simply turn it on by tapping on the switcher, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.